Do you want to make money like this, or this, or anywhere between $500 to $1,000 a day by using this secret weapon that nobody is talking about? Then watch this video to the end. So, if you are in digital marketing, you have probably heard about some popular niches like health and fitness, crypto, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, etc. Right? But there is another niche which is a sleeping giant and nobody is talking about. I don't know why. And the niche is news niche. Yes, the news niche. And this niche will make you as much money as you want. Nowadays, the news industry generates $39.6 billion revenue in every year. Literally, everyone consumes news every single day, no matter what they are doing. So, the main question is how you can make $500 to $1,000 a day by using this news industry or the news niche. So for that, I introduce you AI Smart News, the brand new ChatGTP powered app that creates self-updating viral news website in any niche with a single keyword. And you can sell them on Flippa, eBay, Facebook for the maximum profits. So in this video, I am going to tell you about this revolutionary application and how it works, how you can use it to create a profitable online business. So let's get started. So the first question is why AI Smart News? Because it's a brand new ChatGTP powered app that creates self-updating viral news websites. And yes, you can just create viral news websites in any niche by just one click. These AI powered websites drive limitless traffic and sales like never before. You can start profiting by tapping into the highly profitable $9.6 billion industry, which is a news industry. You can generate high quality leads. Okay, it's a newbie friendly drag and drop news website editor. You don't have to be an professional website editor, or you don't have to be a technical guy to use this website or use this application. And the best way to make money by this news industry, to start your own news website marketing agency. Okay, you can just promote affiliate products like products in Warrior Plus, products in JBizoo and ClickBank, and in your news websites. Okay, it's an 100% SEO optimized and fully mobile responsive software. Okay, no hidden charges, and the best part is it comes with a commercial license. So heading on to the next part, how this AI Smart News works. So in just 3 clicks away, you are creating and selling your AI powered viral news websites. So what is step 1? Step 1 is get an access. In a low one time price, you will get an access to the AI Smart News, and it's a newbie friendly dashboard. Okay, step 2, you have to choose your niche, and the done for you premium templates are ready for you to create your viral news websites. And the step 3, AI Smart News harnesses the power of AI and sells their news websites on Flippa, eBay and Amazon or Facebook, anywhere, for the maximum profits. You can also see some examples of fashion niche, some sports niche, okay, and some travel niche, technology niche, education, politics, everything. In just one click, you can create your viral news websites and see how people are making $500 to $1,000 a day. You can see the testimonials. Okay, so you can see another testimonials from selling news website, viral news website in technology niche, $2,100. Okay, sports niche, $1,750. Okay, fashion niche, $2,500, and there are many more. They are going on. Okay, not a problem. So I guess you have an clarity about what is AI Smart News and how it works. So in my opinion, to make the most amount of money by using this software is creating a news website, viral news website for your own. And by that you can monetize your website by Google AdSense, and you can promote also Warrior Plus, JVZoo and ClickBank products to make some big chunk of commissions for affiliate marketing. So what about the pricing? So in the sales page of official sales page of AI Smart News, it was just $17. Okay, but if you click my link in the description below, then you will redirect it over to the sales page of my. Okay, here you can see all of the different prices section. Okay, auto front end $17, auto O1 $37, $47, Okay, 97 and 97 Auto 5. And if you ask me what should I get, then I highly recommend you to AI Smart News Auto 07 Reseller Edition for $97. So in this edition you will get reseller license. You can sell the viral news websites. Okay, and it has also a downsell, and it was just $77. So, and if you use link in my description below, you will get 5 bonuses for your online marketing journey. This all 5 the bonuses, and you need to be have. Okay, so this is my video about AI Smart News. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments, and I will try to improve you for the next upcoming videos. Thank you. MSH Review Hub signing off.